Hello Provers, this is a short video to help you out with the requirements for your free mobile app. First of all, you should get something like this written down either in your notepad or Microsoft or in a book, whichever one you like. Your Blogger URL, your Blogger ID, your app name, add unit ID for the banner, add unit ID, the interstitial, add your app ID, the API, app color, and your JSON file. That's all you need to get your free mobile app. So now, how do you get this? First, go to your browser. Our first requirement there is the blog URL. Now, to get your blog URL, you enter your blog as usual. You see, if you are using Blogger, not WordPress, this is for bloggers, people that are using blogspot.com. You click on View Blog, open in a new tab. Okay, so this is your blog URL. You copy this, all of it, copy, then just paste it here. If you're writing it in a book, same thing, just copy it out. Blog URL, copy everything, whatever you have there in front of blog URL. Next is the blog ID. To get the blog ID, in this same your Blogger post environment where you post your blog, in your URL here, you can see it here, blog ID. Just copy from here the number you have here and end it here. Like this, just the numbers. Copy and put it in front of blog ID. Next is your app name. You get to choose your app name, whichever name you like to use for your app. That's the name. That's your app name. So you can call it Minute Hub. You can repeat the name of your blog if you want. So that's for app name. Then your app unit ID. So now we have to concentrate much on this part because I guess this is where it gets hard, but it's very easy. Just follow this simple step I'm going to show you. So you open a new tab, you type Google AdMob, like this, and search. Click enter to search. The first option you have there, which is Google AdMob, mobile app, monetization, in-app advertising, blah blah blah. Click on that. It will bring you to this page. Now click on sign up for AdMob. Here it will ask you to log in to confirm your email. Then you can say, put in your password, and click next. So while this loads, you have a page like this. You have to fill this form out correctly. Select your country. Next, you select your time zone. It's usually for Nigeria, Kathmandu is usually most correct. Then your billing currency, you will use this currency to pay Google if you want to run a campaign. So that's our Nigerian currency. Then next, create an AdMob account. Yeah, you successfully created your AdMob account. A confirmation mail has been sent to your email address. All this, just click no, and continue to AdMob. Now this is where it gets interesting. So here you click on app, then you click on add your first app. Then you'll be asked, have you published your app on Google App Store? Click on no. Here you click on Android, enter your app information, you put your app name, you remember the app name you used before, that's the same app name you put here. Click on Android and click on add. You can see here that an app ID has been created for you. All you have to do is click on this to copy this. Copy, that's your app ID. Click on this to copy. You write it down or copy it down and paste it here. App ID. Your app ID is different from your API, so you have to be careful when writing this out. You go back and click on create ad units. Here you have the banner and the interstitial. Select the banner. They say add unit name. Here just put anything, just put ads or adverts, whichever one you decide, whatever you like, put there. Create ad unit. This is your ad unit. Now you are going to copy this code, this one with this yellow sign on it. It's the one you copy. Copy. If you are writing, you write it down. If you are pasting, you paste it down in this banner place. That's your first ad unit ID. You go back, you click done. You see, you click again to say add unit. It brings you back to this page where you left before. You see the interstitial. Select. You can use the same name you've used before. Adverts. Create ad unit. This blue one here is your interstitial. Copy everything you have there and paste it here. That's your second ad unit ID, the interstitial. So we now have our blog URL, our blog ID, our app name, our ad unit ID for banner and for interstitial, our app ID. Now we're left with the API. So this is very important. So click done. We're back here. So to get your API, this is your app, your Minute Hub. You see where they say link to Firebase. Link to Firebase. This is what you click. It will load this. Click on confirm. Now you see this, your package name. Package names are also very important. You need it to get to your API. So now you are going to, your package name must always look like this. Com dot whatever name you like. You can put your app name there. You can put anything you like here. minute hub, another dot. You get to choose either .app or .tech or .blog. All I'm trying to do is that you get to choose whatever you put here, but it must begin with a com dot your whatever name you want to be your package name, maybe your app name, dot whatever you like there. So in this case, I'm going to use .web and click outside first before the continue button can be activated. So next, you see your project name. Project name can also be your app name. All these are just forms you have to fill to get to the next, to get your API. But whatever you are using, you should make sure that you are using the same case, the same everything, so you won't get confused later. So right now it's generating your API. So now successfully linked. Project name, minute hub, your app. This app, copy everything you have here. That's your package name. Copy it and include it. It wasn't included in our list, but you have to include it. It's also important. You can call this package name. As a package name, the com.minutehub.web. So we're still looking for our API. We're back. So click done. Here you click on your app. It gives you this. Just scroll down where you have this user metrics. Underneath it, you see this Firebase dashboard. Click on it. It will link you. It will take you to your Firebase dashboard. Okay. So when this loads, you see something like this. Just click on do it later. Just remove it. Come back here. This project overview. You see this setting sign here. Click on it. It gives you two options. You see project setting and user permission. Click on project setting. Here you go. So it under this general, you see your project. This is where you find your API. You can see it here, web API key. Web API key. So this is your API. So now copy this. Everything you have there, the whole of it. And then paste it on the API. So that's your API key. So one last thing is your JSON file. But first of all, your app color, you get to choose. Just choose any color you like. Put it there. Then your JSON file. From this place, you scroll down to your app section. Come down here, you see Google services.json. So this is your JSON file. All you have to do is click on it and it will automatically be downloaded into your system. You can see it here in the download section. This is it here. So click on this arrow, right click on this arrow facing up, and so just click on it and you see show in folder to know where this is stored in your computer. You can see it's already highlighted here. So now it's saying Google service. Now this is the file you are going to attach to this other document you have written down when you are sending back your report. So this JSON file, this Google services JSON file, you can copy it from here or move it and place it somewhere you know that you'll be able to find when you're about to send your documents. Let's say in desktop, in your document, or you can as well just leave it there, provided you know the name, you know what is saved as. It's Google Services. It won't come as any other name. Google Services. Then go back to your mail. Now it's time to send your details. Click on compose. Now I'm going to show you how to attach that your Google Services JSON file to your mail. Mail is to support@provehub.com. Your subject, it could be your name, then you see this small button showing here saying attach file. Click on it. Now you know where your JSON file, your Google Services JSON file is stored. It's either in your download file or on your desktop. Like mine, I copied mine to desktop, so I'll look for it. You can search it, Google Services. Open. See now, it's downloaded Google Services.json. Now the next thing to do is to copy these other details you have here and just paste them here, just like that, and hit the send button. That's all, and wait for your free mobile app. So I hope this video is simple enough and is helpful. So thank you very much. Expecting to see your requirements. Bye.